From amphibious silt removers to machines that carve perfect ditches in a single pass, these are 15 of the world's most powerful canal cleaning and silt removal machines in action. Let's dive right in. Small in size, massive in impact, the Damen mini dredger is built to clean up waterways where big machines can't reach. Designed by Damen Shipyards, this compact powerhouse handles silt, sludge, and sand with precision. Its modular design means it's easy to transport, assemble, and deploy in tight spaces like ponds, canals, and marinas. The ADC Luton mini dredger may look compact, but it's a serious tool for precision dredging. Designed for shallow water and tight access, it's perfect for marinas, reservoirs, and inland waterways. Lightweight and highly maneuverable, it uses a high-performance hydraulic pump and cutter head to remove silt and debris with minimal disruption. When the job gets dirty, really dirty, Hydro Cleansing steps in with industrial-strength cleaning power. These guys operate some of the UK's most advanced jet vac and suction excavation units, clearing out everything from blocked sewers to oil interceptors. Their trucks are fitted with high-pressure water jets, massive debris tanks, and vacuum booms that make short work of sludge, waste, and buildup. The Watermaster is a multi-purpose amphibious dredger developed by Aquamech in Finland, designed specifically for shallow water operations where traditional dredgers can't reach or would cause excessive disruption. With its ability to drive on land and float in water, the Watermaster transitions smoothly between shorelines and aquatic zones, making it ideal for lakes, rivers, canals, and wetlands. Equipped with hydraulic stabilizing legs, it anchors itself securely while operating, ensuring precision even in soft or unstable terrain. One of its standout features is its modular design. It can be outfitted with a backhoe bucket, suction dredge, rake, pile driver, or cutter head, allowing it to perform multiple tasks with one base machine. Clearing ditches doesn't have to be messy or slow. The Vandaele ditch cleaner makes it fast, efficient, and unbelievably clean. Designed in Belgium, this machine features a high-speed rotating drum with adjustable cutting blades that scoop, shape, and clear ditch lines in one smooth pass. It's perfect for drainage maintenance, roadside work, and farmland runoff control. The Truxor is the go-to machine for silt removal in sensitive and shallow water zones. This amphibious multitasker moves from land to water with ease, using a range of specialized tools, dredging pumps, rakes, and cutters to clear sediment, weeds, and sludge. It's compact, lightweight, and designed for minimal environmental impact. Precision ditching meets next-gen control with the Hooby LC90 E-tronic. This compact excavator is built specifically for ditch maintenance and water management, combining hydraulic muscle with electronic fine-tuning. The E-tronic system gives you pinpoint accuracy over depth, slope, and angle. Perfect for drainage canals, irrigation lines, and embankment shaping. The AM1500 ditch digger is built for raw power and clean performance. With a reinforced digging arm and a hydraulically driven trenching wheel, it carves out precise ditches in even the toughest soil. Designed for agriculture and infrastructure work, the machine cuts consistent depth and slope every time, reducing manual cleanup and improving water flow efficiency. When it comes to marine engineering, Damen Shipyards is in a league of its own. From high-speed patrol boats to modular dredgers and massive offshore vessels, Damen designs and builds ships that work harder and smarter. With shipyards in over 35 countries, their fleet supports dredging, defense, transport, and environmental missions worldwide. Built for precision and durability, the Rolmex ditch cleaner is designed to clear, shape, and maintain drainage ditches with zero compromise. Its hydraulic side boom and heavy-duty rotating cutter drum handle sediment, vegetation, and debris with ease, leaving behind smooth, well-formed channels. Ideal for farms, road maintenance, and irrigation systems. When pumping water on site, silt is the silent troublemaker, and the Sykes Silt Away is built to stop it cold. This compact but powerful filtration unit removes suspended solids from water pumped during construction, dewatering, or dredging operations. Using a series of settling chambers and filtration barriers, it keeps waterways clean and prevents environmental fines. When sediment builds up faster than it can be pumped, the silt pusher moves in. This hydraulically operated tool mounts to an excavator or amphibious machine and physically pushes silt, sludge, and debris into designated zones for easy removal. It's simple, tough, and brutally effective in lakes, lagoons, and shallow basins. Turning sludge into stable ground, SHOAL silt solidification is a game-changing method for reclaiming soft, waterlogged sediment. Using binders and specialized mixing equipment, this process transforms silt into load-bearing material right on site. The Vortex drain digger is built for one thing: high-efficiency trenching for drainage systems. With its rotating drum and angled blades, it creates smooth, consistent trenches at controlled depths, even in heavy or compacted soil. PRAIRIELAND is known for building rugged, reliable ditchers and land leveling equipment designed for tough North American terrain. Whether it's the rotary ditcher or land leveler, these machines are engineered to manage water flow, control erosion, and prep fields with unmatched accuracy. These machines don't just move sludge, they change the game. Thank you for watching. Check out our next video for more unstoppable engineering.